Here's how I built the Thockiest ergonomic keyboard. This is the Record Alice. It's a 65% hot swappable Alice keyboard for just $105. For this build, I went for the deepest sound profile possible, which is why I kept all the foams included and used these SA profile keycaps, which were $92. These keycaps are a lot taller than your average cherry profile keycaps, which allows for a much deeper sound profile. I also use these random pink switches I found in my closet, which seem to have a pretty deep and clean sound. The ergonomic layout honestly feels pretty natural and comfortable, but I wouldn't say it's a drastic difference, and it's definitely not something you must have. When I dumped those keycaps all over the place, I actually ended up losing one and couldn't find it after looking for like 3 hours, so please subscribe if you want me to find my keycap. Now here's the sound test you guys have all been waiting for.